So gold and silver did not just fall, it broke the structure. And when the structure breaks, traders must stop guessing and start thinking. So, yes, this is today's best zone, or maybe the more panic ahead. Now, let's talk about silver. This is you are watching a silver XAUUSD XAUUSD chart, and silver is usually exaggerate gold moves. You can see, meanwhile, when gold breaks, silver often falls harder, and you can see as a result of that, let me show you the price range from where it started going down from almost from 29 January till yesterday. Silver came down almost $50, and that is one of the most historical move of coming down. And silver means when gold breaks, silver often fall harder. Technically, silver is showing weakness on charts, but few weeks again, if gold failed to recover the key level, silver may continue to underperform. This is a tendency of all the traders. For weeks, gold and silver was trending upside strongly. You can see a strong bullish move from week to week, week to week. This is 1 hour time frame, but also let me show you 1 week charts as well. So this is a 1 week chart of silver, and you can see from weeks and weeks it is going up and up again from 25th of November is continuously going upside. Okay, but now for weeks and weeks, retail traders are confident. Maybe they are very too confident, but the market don't move in a straight line. Liquidity grab is the most important thing, and that's the same thing happened when gold silver reached on an entire zone and when the smart money started exiting. So this is a weekly chart of silver, and you can see from touch $121, it is straight down came to almost 73. That is 39% fall in just 1 day, and that is the historical fall which we have never witnessed anywhere in the history. Now, the first step, what we will going to do now, first is stop chasing the market. Stop chasing the market. Second, may you will find a key resistance area here, or maybe on a different support, because the previous supports will become resistance now. That is how market works, and the most important thing is the market where patience pays and emotions got punished. Okay, let's quickly start with the analysis of today. In today's video, we will going to cover silver analysis with the proper support and resistance level, gold analysis with support and resistance level. Also, I will try to maintain a Fibonacci setup for you, that what will be the best entry price or maybe a more sell off coming ahead. And always remember, risk management, reminder, risk management is very important. Capital protection is very important, because I have seen so many traders accounts got blown this week. In the last 2 days, there are millions and trillions of money wiped out just because of gold and silver fall. So if you miss a trade, it's okay. If you blow your account, it's not okay. Capital protection is more important. Professional traders must survive first, and profit comes second. Understand? Okay, so let's start first of all with the silver analysis. You can see right now silver is trading and closed around $85 after making lows of 73. After making lows of $73, go silver just jump up, and in the last few hours silver was sustaining at 85 around area. So let me just put a Fibonacci retracement area. Why I was thinking, if you come back for the first time on my video, you can go back and check my previous video where I have mentioned that silver and gold will definitely going to give a strong bearish move, and they will definitely going to go down because of the two technical indicators. First one is the lower lows. You can see first crashing from 120, made a low of 107, then bounce back, made a high of 18, and then fall down to 96, again reach up to 104, and then we have seen a strong pullback in the prices. So higher highs and lower lows are the definitely a reversal pattern, and that indicates the signs of prices are falling down and pullbacks are very stronger. So now if we see the Fibonacci retracement here, yes, so this is a 1 hour time frame of Fibonacci retracement, and you can see the price is continuously consolidating from the last 4 hours around $85. It means when the price pullback, either we have two setups here. I'm just telling you, this is not a recommendations to buy or sell, but this is just a recommendation or an analysis for the education purpose. Okay, so if you see here, this is the most crucial point where we can expect the best buying zone for silver, or maybe the more panic ahead. Okay, so today's topic, let's start. This is silver, and I am expecting the first scenario is, if prices move up again in the next week, then first this will be a interest for the buyers at $91. If silver closed above this, then we can expect the silver price again reach out to 96 to 98 zone that was previously closed area on 30th of January, where it has started falling again. So it might be possible the prices will reach to this zone, and somehow on Fibonacci, this is the most important crucial area, 0.5% to 0.68 per 61%, because this is how either market will push back down or it will be a make or break point for silver. Okay, so the first scenario, if price has been respected by all the sellers here, then buyers may push up the prices of the silver, and then it could be at the most important crucial resistance at 103.90. Okay, so if prices will sustain in the next week, as we are doing a weekly analysis, that's why the prices are very far away. But if you have seen the movement within 1 hour, silver is coming down almost like hell. You can see from $98 it came down to $73 within just a span of 3 hours. We have never witnessed this thing. So in this kind of scenario, in this kind of markets where technicals don't work, only emotions work, but we have to control our emotions, right? And you can see, but market don't move in a straight line, they move from liquidity to liquidity, and this is the liquidity zone which I am talking about, right? And if you see above this price, this is scenario one. If the prices will continue, okay, we have witnessed so many times previously that recovery will be very fast. Here we can expect on 27th of January, after a quick fall, recovery was perfect, and then on 27th January again we have seen a recovery, then on 28th January we have seen a recovery was very fast. But this time when everyone was expecting the price will move back again, it got crashed. Okay, so silver is crashed, gold is crashed, I understand, but you don't need to do a panic selling. This is a kind of panic selling, but we need to understand market works or not on emotions, market works on liquidity. So if prices goes above from here, then we can expect again a good buying strategies in the upcoming few weeks for the next month in February. Now let's talk about what will be happen if the price will not going to sustain around this area. So if prices will move back up again here and they got somehow rejections around this area, because as I mentioned, previous resistance will become support now. So if this prices got rejection from here, then we can expect the price will fall badly up to first $84 and then $74, or maybe goes down to 67 or $70 as well. Yes, I'm not joking, I'm not kidding, this is what it is usually watchable on charts. And let me show you why I am talking all this, because this thing happened on 8th of January. This is a kind of you can say a chart of 31st December last year, and then on 8th of January we have seen the same thing, and on 1st of January as well on the new year. You can see there was a strong push up, then there was a strong fall, then push up, then push back down, pull back, and then somehow prices are sustaining around 72 area. So 72 will become a very strong support for all the silver prices, and from here if this support breach, then we can expect a strong fall or maybe a free fall into the silver prices that anyone is not talking about. Okay, everyone is talking about how to get rid of this silver particular move. So let me also show you a price range. If anyhow 74 breach, we can expect a strong fall up to 68 to 67 areas. So this is a today's analysis for silver, and also let me show you a particular support and resistance level for silver. This is, I'm just typing right now here. So support will be at 73.80. Resistance is at, first resistance is at 90, 0.80. If that breach, we can expect the price can go up to 102 as well. But trend is almost, a crash. Trend is almost bearish, super bearish. Trend is bearish because the selling is coming through strong volumes. Okay, so if any price breach here, then we can expect the price can fall more around 68 reasons as well. Okay, so you have to take care about your capital, and protection of the capital is first and foremost important thing. Now, second thing is, let's talk about gold. Let's talk about gold. This is the XAUUSD chart, and no one is talking about gold as well because gold falls harder than silver. But this time, silver, outperformed. Silver just outperformed gold. Why I am talking about all this? I will also going to show you a charts. You can see here, this is a 1 hour time frame, and gold started moving down almost $1,000. This is insane, guys. This is really insane because we have never witnessed $1,000 move on a 2 days only, a kind of crash. It almost wipe out 16%, and almost millions and trillions of money has been, gone in just few minutes and few hours. And traders did not get, even a kind of reference, because I can show you a 5 minutes chart as well. In 5 minutes chart, you cannot predict where market will move. Made a low of around 4674, and suddenly within 5 minutes, within few minutes, gold reached to $300 recovery. No one will going to made, any decision what will going to be happen now. And after that was a sudden crash up to 4800, and somehow price got closed around 4900 points here as well. So now what's next? What will be the next scenario into the gold prices? Let me show you with the why gold and silver got just fall. Let me also delete all this for you. Okay, so this is a gold 1 hour time frame, and you can see whenever there are gaps on the chart. One second, let me just shift to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see here whenever there are gaps on the chart, this is the first gap which we have witnessed on 26th January. Then there was a second gap on 5400 to 5500, that happened on 29 January, where CPI was about to came, and the first gap was on 19th of January. So if you have seen the pattern, first gap around this area of 16 January, when the market started going up from here, didn't fill the gap, price continuously go up. Now the second gap has been made on 23rd of January, again price didn't fill the gap, and then the price is continuously going as a rocket. And if you have seen, third gap is on 29 January. So whenever there are three gaps not filled on the charts, there was 100% chances that market will fall. And as a result of that, you can see after struggling from 5550 or maybe 5600, we have seen a strong crash into the prices of gold. And now you can see the prices around 4890 around areas. So what will be the next target in gold? Is this a buying zone, or maybe the price will fall again from here? Let me show you. Here there are a strong consolidation phase, but if we have seen, the wicks are very high, it means the volatility will continue. I mentioned in my previous videos as well, whenever there is a prices wicks, when the price actions and the price is not stable, the wicks will be higher, than wicks will be bigger than the candle of the body, and we can expect a kind of, a kind of more volatility here. Might be possible the prices will fall back again 4600, and then it will move back up to 5130 around area. So this will be the strong point where we can expect the price will fall down or not. And let me also show you a Fibonacci retracement here in the gold prices. You can see the similar pattern, higher lows, lower lows, you can see. So now if prices breach this particular level, then we can expect the first movement will be around this area. So 5000 will be an area where all the interest of the buyers are sustaining. If this 5000 region breach, then we can expect the price can go up to 5130, and above that the price can reach back to 5240 as well. But as I mentioned, the trend is bearish and the volume sellings are there, so it's hard to find any proper movement around here until there is no sustainable move. And if we talk about here, Let's talk about if market will not respect this particular 5000 level, might be possible the price will reach next week or maybe next week to this point, and then there will be again fall. So in case of that, first reason to sustain, that is 48.90, and then below that 46.45, and if not happen, then 54593 will be the main area for the gold prices, where gold prices struck on 12th of January. So if prices started coming down, then the most important support is 4550. That is the most important support for all the gold prices. So support and resistance level are in front of you. If you like this analysis, please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any particular queries, WhatsApp number is available in the YouTube description box, and my Telegram channel is also, let me mention it, fortune signals underscore admin. This is my Telegram channel ID, guys. You can reach out to me here, fortune signals underscore admin. This is my previous Telegram channel ID. You can reach out to me here, and if you have any queries, just drop me a comment on the YouTube video. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.